This old house, identifying a solution. By now, you have already identified a problem in your home and researched about this problem. You are now ready to create a few possible solutions. Now, we aren't going to choose just one. It is important that you think about your pros and cons from your research to help you create a few possible solutions. Please choose at least 2 possible solutions and up to 4. Write a brief description about what your solution is, and then also draw a picture or a diagram of your model or your prototype. Then you are going to be given a share date. What you will be doing is sharing your different solutions or your possible solutions with a small group. Your small group is going to provide you with feedback. This is all going to be done on Flipgrid. So your teacher will also share a Flipgrid code with you, and you can provide your feedback there. Once you have uploaded your 2 to 4 ideas on Flipgrid, you now need to respond to your group. The questions you will be using to respond or provide feedback to your group are the 4 questions below. What works for their plans? What didn't work or doesn't work with their plan? What ideas do you have that might help their plans? And what questions do you have about their plans? Please remember that your feedback is very important to your peers. So make sure that you are providing them also with feedback based on what you've researched about your project or your solution. Now, research and feedback should have helped you choose your solution. So you will now choose a solution. When you go back, which number did you end up choosing? Number 1, 2, 3, or 4. Put your solution number here. Now, I want you to take your research and your feedback and help you create a pro-con list. Name 5 facts, either pros or cons, that you found out from your need-to-knows that help you make this decision. These facts should be relevant and should support your solution. So, below here, there's 5 areas. I'd like you to choose either your research and or some of the feedback that you got back from your peers and write here. Make sure that you're paraphrasing or putting in your own words your research facts. Also over here, where did you find that fact? Or also you could just say who provided you with that feedback.